Say, I am learning Python, not I learning. When you begin a journey like learning Python, it's common to hit a wall. You might describe your effort by saying, I learning Python. While the intent is clear, the structure feels incomplete, like a line of code with a critical syntax error that halts the entire program. This small linguistic gap can create a feeling of being stuck, preventing your message from running smoothly. It's a frustrating experience where your intended meaning doesn't quite compile in the mind of the listener. You know what you want to express, but a crucial element is missing, leaving your statement in a perpetual state of error. This feeling of incompleteness isn't just a grammatical technicality. It's a barrier to clear communication. Think of your sentence as a simple function designed to convey your current status. When you say, I learning, it's like calling that function with a missing argument, causing an immediate failure. The listener's brain, like a computer's interpreter, has to pause and try to debug your meaning. This hesitation breaks the natural flow of conversation, forcing a halt where there should be seamless understanding. Your progress, both in coding and in English, depends on bridging these small but significant gaps. The missing piece is often a small, unassuming word that carries immense structural power. In programming, forgetting a single semicolon or bracket can render pages of code useless. Similarly, in English, we have foundational words that connect our ideas and give them life. Without this connector, your statement I learning hangs in limbo, an action without a confirmed subject or tense. It's an abstract concept rather than a concrete reality happening in the present moment. This is the core of the error, a disconnect between the doer and the deed. Identifying this missing link is the first step toward correcting the syntax of your daily speech. The solution is an auxiliary verb, often called a helping verb, and in this case the word is am. Introducing am into your sentence is like importing a necessary library into your Python script. It unlocks new functionality. The phrase I am learning is now a complete, executable statement. This tiny word acts as a bridge, linking the subject, I directly to the ongoing action learning. It clarifies the timing, anchoring your activity firmly in the present continuous tense. Suddenly, the ambiguity disappears, and your statement compiles without any errors. This is the power of a helper. By adding am, you are not just correcting a mistake, you are providing essential information. This helping verb confirms that the action is happening right now, making your communication precise and dynamic. It's the difference between a broken program and one that runs flawlessly, providing immediate feedback. I am learning tells your listener that you are actively engaged in the process at this very moment. This simple addition transforms a static, fragmented idea into a vivid, active description of your progress. Your language becomes more effective, mirroring the logical and complete structures required to become a coder. Mastering this structure makes your expression more powerful and your learning journey smoother. When you say, I am learning Python, you project confidence and clarity. Your listener doesn't need to mentally correct your sentence. They can simply absorb your meaning. This is analogous to writing clean code that another developer can understand without effort. It is a sign of proficiency, showing that you not only grasp the concepts but can also articulate them correctly. This grammatical precision builds a stronger foundation for more complex communication, both in your technical discussions and daily life. With this newfound clarity, your confidence blossoms. Each correctly formed sentence, like a successfully executed block of code, reinforces your ability and fuels your motivation. You begin to see language not as a set of arbitrary rules, but as a logical system, much like the programming language you are studying. The phrase, I am learning, becomes a declaration of your active participation in your own growth. This shift in expression reflects a deeper shift in mindset, from a passive recipient of information to an active creator. Your interactions become more fluid, your explanations clearer, and your overall presence more impactful. This principle of using helping verbs extends beyond just yourself. The structure adapts depending on who you are talking about, maintaining its logical consistency. For a single person, you would say, he is learning, or she is learning. When speaking about a group, the correct form is, They are learning. Think of is and are as different parameters for the same function, each one tailored to a specific subject. This system ensures your verbal output is always correctly configured, no matter the context. It's a versatile tool that brings the same clarity and precision to describing the actions of others. The key to making this structure second nature is consistent, daily practice. Just as a programmer runs code repeatedly to find and fix bugs, you should use these sentence patterns in your daily speech. Say them out loud. I am practicing. You are improving. We are succeeding. Each repetition strengthens the neural pathways, turning conscious effort into an unconscious skill. This is how fluency is built, layer by layer, with each correct statement acting as a building block for a solid linguistic foundation. Over time, you won't even have to think about it. The correct words will simply flow, like elegant code. You have now moved from a syntax error to a successful execution in your communication. This small change from I learning to I am learning represents a significant leap in your English proficiency. It demonstrates an understanding of structure, tense, and clarity. By mastering these fundamental patterns, you unlock the ability to express your progress and ideas effectively and confidently. Keep building on this foundation, one correct sentence at a time. Join our community to continue refining your skills and transforming your ability to communicate your coding journey to the world.